Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Pots, Pans, and Priscilla. We are doing a cruise haul. In a few days, we are going to be leaving for a cruise, and so I'm so excited that I got an order in from Bloomchic. Thank you to Bloomchic for sponsoring today's video, and I want to share these items with you, give you some ideas. Maybe you have a tropical vacation coming up, or maybe you just want to act like you're going on a tropical vacation. So as always, let me know what your favorite item is down in the comments, and here, let's do this. I feel like we're starting off strong. So this, I'm thinking, is going to be for one of my formal nights. We have two on our cruise, and I was looking for something that was kind of cute, simple, easy to pack, that's not going to wrinkle, and I think I found it in this. This is an 18-20, so, you know, for size measurements. I like that it doesn't come down too far in the front. You know, gotta leave a little imagination, ladies. And you guys know I'm a sucker for a longer sleeve to cover up those areas sometimes. It does have pockets. And if you are a texture person, you may not like the texture, but it's fine for me. But it is textured, so it's got a little pop. It's got like little sequins in it, so I kind of like that too. I think it would be really cute with a pair of like heels and some silver earrings. I think would just make it be perfect. So let me know, what do you think about option number one? This one makes me feel like I need to dance. I feel like I'm ready for Caribbean night for this one. So we do have a Caribbean night. I thought this would be perfect. It's super light and airy, perfect for a cruise ship, you guys. And again, it's gonna look so cute with some wedges. I'm a big wedge girl. Like, I need comfort, but also cute. I love the neck and how it comes up. I feel like that's very flattering on me. And I like how it has the cinched waist, because who doesn't want to look snatched in the waist area? So I am loving this. It's got a really cute tie on the back. So if you're by yourself, you could probably do it, but if you have somebody to help you, that's even better. And then you could choose one of the colors in the dress and put some really fun earrings. I would probably wear my hair up with this one. So let me know, what do you think? And we know it has pockets, which is a winner. And if you've ever been on a cruise ship, you know you don't really need a lot on you, like everything's cashless. So I love that I can just throw a lipstick in my pocket and my key card, and I'd be good to go. So let me know what you think about my Caribbean night option. Okay, is she going on a cruise, or is she gonna be teaching 3rd grade this year? I love this dress. Okay, so you guys know I'm like all love my colors and stuff, but everybody needs a black, comfy but cute dress. You can dress this one up. The material kind of feels like canvas, like a tote bag to me. That's why I was like 3rd grade teacher or fun girl on the cruise singing karaoke. So maybe this will be my karaoke dress for the cruise. I feel confident. It hides my trouble areas, and so I feel like I could get on stage and sing a good karaoke song. Drop down below, what would you like to hear me sing? Maybe I'll pick your song for karaoke. Do you see it? Do you see my vision? It's got a cute little bow here. I'm gonna be able to dress this up with some cute jewelry, a little clutch, and then some cute shoes. So I am here for it. I really like it. It's got some tiered layers. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but so I like that. It has like, I don't know, it's like, it gives it dimension. It doesn't feel like you're in like a bag or anything. The material feels like that, but you don't look like you're a tote bag. I feel cute and sassy. I feel a little salsa merengue in my future. So one time we took a line dancing class, like a salsa class, Spanish dancing. Yep, we did. And I feel like this would have been the perfect dress. It is so soft, you guys. It doesn't have a liner, but it doesn't need it because it is a heavier material, but it's not like, it doesn't feel too thick to where it's gonna be hot on the cruise, so I like that. I feel like it's gonna be cooler. I also like that it has a little button at the top because for my bigger breasted friends, I'm not part of that club, but I know you guys struggle a little bit with that, so this will help you. So there's plenty of room up here. Again, this is an 1820, which I believe is a 2X. The sleeves are a little long on this one, so if you have that back arm issue, then this might be the dress for you. So this could be day or night, I feel like. I think you could dress it up or down. I'll probably use this one for daytime and do like a cute little just natural brown wedge with it. Just to like walk around the ship and see things, maybe play bingo. This could be a bingo dress. I could win bingo in this. Bingo! The cute girl in the back with the Bloomchic dress on. You're the winner. Okay, so I don't know if this one's gonna make the cut for me just because it's super big in the front area. I am not well endowed. I feel like this could be really cute for a baby shower. It's got the really cute little ruffle part. It's kind of a wrap, but it's like a faux wrap because I didn't wrap anything. Like, I put it on my body normal. It does have pockets. It's very nice and silky feeling, so I do like that. But yeah, I think this one is not gonna make the cut for me just because it's too big. So, but it is a cute dress, and I believe it comes in multiple colors, so if you need a different color, you could get a different color. But there you go. I'm coming. Okay, this is for casual girlies. This could be something you just throw on real quick. Maybe you're going to tour an island. We are going to St. Martin and St. Thomas. That could be cute. Maybe you're going to do something fun. Oh, I signed us up for, what did I sign us up for? Sushi making class and something else. So I could wear that. I could do that. It might be fun for like a cute little, were you gonna see a balloon drop this time? We could wear it for that. There's so many events on the ship that I could wear this to. I'm loving it. So you cinch up the front, like the neck area, as much as you want, and then you just tie it. So let me kind of show you. So you just cinch it like that, kind of like a drawstring. Back on that bag situation. I love the colors. I think they're so cute. I like pink and orange together. I like the bubble sleeves. I feel cute in this. I don't know if I'll wear it with these shorts. I just threw something on real quick. But super cute, sassy. He's just staring at me. Why are you staring at me like that? You're like, she's so weird. She's just coming up with all these descriptive words. Oh, okay. That awkward middle school girl coming out. Sir, turn the camera off. What?
I thought you were going to end the video. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I thought you were closing it out.
Okay. Got it. All right, guys, so that is my haul for the cruise. I cannot wait to get out there. I will be posting, so make sure you're following me on all my social media networks, Instagram, Facebook, all the things, YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out. Let me know what your favorite item was down below, and we'll see you next time. Aloha! That probably doesn't make sense because we're not going to Hawaii. Bye! Happy cruising!